Hi, ladies and gentlemen, how are you? The lady with the natural product for hair follicles. If your hair is hard, you got itchy scalp, you got dandruff, you name it. My treatment will handle it, okay? Internally, outside, we treat everything so you get the best result, just like what you see in here. Your hair follicles, if it's closed, ladies, will reopen it for you. If you even go for hair implant, it will not work. Your hair will start falling off because your hair follicles, they're not alive. Whereas for us, we'll get it alive for you. Just order. It's pricey, but trust me, it works. Okay. If you send me a picture on WhatsApp, I give you price straight, because the reason why my treatment is been balanced for all type of scalp and hair follicles and hair priority, low, high, medium. It has balanced. Okay, so I don't have too much conversation with you unless when you order, you place your order. That's when we start the conversation. But when you send me a picture, I see your problem, I just tell you the price. Okay, it's not like I'm putting money in front of it. No, because because I just want to go to the point, and then that's it. When you place the order, then we start the conversation. Look at this lady, hair follicles, it's shut down, ladies. But when we open it again, we're in the journey. Okay, it's not even up to a year. So once you place your order, we send you the full treatment that will last you for a year, internally, outside. Okay, ladies, because what people don't understand, sometimes your scalp is dry and it's breaking the hair out. So we don't just dealt with outside, we dealt it with inside as well. Okay, so we have the medication. If you want me to put it, add it in the order, I will add it. If you want me to show you where to get it, I will show you where to get it. Without that medication, your hair will not start growing well. So act quick, ladies, before you. So please act quick. As you can see, everyone got different type of problem, ladies. So once you send me a picture, I give you the price. You just have to act. Look at this. When you have a scalp like this, your skin is looking like this. It's not just outside, it's inside. This is why we dealt with everything. Okay, ladies. All these ladies I'm showing you on my videos, they're live in my shop and they've seen results. I've helped so many people. I just don't have time to document everything, but the ones I can, I will show you, ladies.